Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the online session of 2021. Hope so you all will be fine and happy. And first of all, congratulations because you all are promoted to the next level. And I hope you have purchased your new books. So in this week, we will discuss some important topic of mathematics. Let's start first lecture. And your first lecture is multiplication of polynomial. As you know about the polynomials are the algebraic expression consisting of more than one terms and in which variable's exponent is 0 or a positive integers. And you know about its types also. Its types are monomials, binomial and trinomial. Monomial in which they consist of only one term, and in binomial the expressions are consisting of two terms, and trinomial expressions consisting of three terms. So first we will discuss in the multiplication of polynomials. Binomials multiply with the binomials. So as I used the word term, and you know about the term is it may be any numeral variable or the product of numeral and more than one variable. So this one is called monomial because here is a numeral and more than one variables are in the form of product. So it is called first monomial multiply with the second monomial. I used here two monomials that are multiplying here because we are discussing here multiplication of polynomials. First I take two monomials, 48x square y. Its first monomial multiply with the 2x cube y square. It is second monomial. So first, in the first step, we will write as it is the question statement 48x square y multiply with the 2x cube y square. Then how we multiply these two terms or algebraic expression with each other. As you know, numbers are multiplied with the numbers and we will multiply these variables. How we multiply these variables? X is just multiply with the x. ठीक है, जैसे कि आप लोगों को मालूम था एक्सपोनेंट लॉ, यहाँ पे मैंने आप लोगों को प्रोडक्ट लॉ भी शो कराया है. इसका मतलब है कि प्रोडक्ट लॉ आप लोगों ने स्टडी किया था एक्सपोनेंट्स के प्रोडक्ट लॉ, जिसमें हमारे पास सेम वेरिएबल्स मल्टीप्लाई होते थे. ठीक है, तो उनकी पावर को हम क्या करते थे, ऐड कर देते थे. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी इसी तरीके से हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पर एक्स क्यूब है. ये दोनों जब मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, बेसिस सेम है, पावर्स को हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. सो हियर इज y पावर 1. Here is the y power 2. So y1 plus 2 is the product law of exponent. ठीक है. When we multiply 48 with the 2, answer is 96 and x power 2 plus 3 x power 5 and y power is 3. So that's all about the monomial multiply with the monomial. And when we multiply one monomial with the binomial, as you know, binomial containing two terms. So in the next example, here is one monomial, 6a is the monomial, is multiplying with the binomial a square plus b square, bc. There is no multiplication sign, but bracket shows both are multiplying. So 6a multiply with the a square plus bc. How we can multiply these monomial with binomial? In this multiplication, we multiply that monomial with the first term and also we multiply this monomial with the second term of binomial. Okay, so 6a multiply with the a square. 6 is a number, so we write 6 as it is, and a square, both the bases are same, so we can add its power 1 plus 2. So 6a into 1 plus 2. Now again 6a multiply with the bc, so we write plus sign here. 6 is the number, here is only one number is there, so 6 multiply 1, 6, a, b and c. So because there is no same variable is there, so there is no product law is applied here. So just we write 6abc. ठीक हो गया ये सब. Next last step क्या होगा कि 6a cube, because we add 1 plus 2, 6a power 3 plus 6abc is the whole multiplication of monomial with the binomial. In the last example, I will multiply two binomials will multiply in the last example. So in the last example, x plus 4, this one is one binomial and 3x plus 5 is the second binomial. So how we can multiply two binomials? In the first binomial bracket, there is x and plus 4. X will multiply with the both terms of the second binomial, and plus 4 is also multiply with the both terms of the second binomial. अगेन रिपीट, मैं दोबारा बता देती हूँ कि फर्स्ट जो ब्रैकेट में मौजूद हमारे पास दो बाइनोमियल्स की टर्म्स हैं, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की फर्स्ट टर्म मल्टीप्लाई होगी दूसरी ब्रैकेट की दोनों टर्म्स के साथ. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है x मल्टीप्लाई विद 3x प्लस 5. इसी तरीके से फर्स्ट बाइनोमियल की जो सेकंड टर्म है वो मल्टीप्लाई होगी सेकंड ब्रैकेट की दोनों टर्म से. 4 मल्टीप्लाई विद 3x प्लस 5. यहाँ पर देखें तो फिर वही मल्टीप्लीकेशन आ जाएगी that I used in the second example, x into 3x plus 5. X will be multiplied with the 3x. 3 is as it is, and x are same basis, so we can add their powers. So 1 plus 1. And here is x multiplied with the 5. So it become 5x. Bracket here is closed, so we stop here the multiplication of x. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ तक इसकी multiplication करनी होगी, यहाँ पे bracket close हो रही है. प्लस 4, अब हमने 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है इस दोनों टर्म्स के साथ, तो 4 मल्टीप्लाई विद 3x, 4 3 टाइम्स 12, सो x एज इट इज. सो अगेन प्लस 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 विल साइन कम हियर. 4 मल्टीप्लाई 5, इट कम्स 20. सो इट बिकम 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x plus 12x and plus 20. And in the whole equation we can add these two terms because they containing same variables, x with the power 1. So 3x square plus 17x, because 5 plus 12, answer is 17x plus 20. So in this first lecture I discuss here just the multiplication of polynomials in which we multiply two monomials, one monomial with the binomial, and in the last example I used two binomials. Okay, it's all lecture.